Thanks so much for purchasing the Skin Enhancer. I think you are going to love using this tool in treatment and also retailing to your clients. It starts in cleanse mode. Each mode will have EMS. If you do not want that, you push quickly on the on button to put it higher, or 6 times takes it off. The plus minus button you push to make the vibration higher. The center button is your mode button. We're going to now go from cleanse to seep. After seep is lifting. And the same thing you can do if you want to have microcurrent. You hit the on and off button quickly. If you want the vibration to go down, you can turn it off, or you can turn it back on again with the plus and minus button. Back to mode, we're going to go to restore with red light. Hit the mode button again, restore with blue light. And a third time, restore with a combination of yellow and red light. This mode is for eyes, it pulsates. And your last mode is cold with blue light. Press and hold the button to turn it off. You'll start in cleanse mode over the top of your cleanser. You can move on to seep mode if your client wears base makeup and you want to do a second cleanse. Then you'll apply your serum concoction. I like the anti-aging moisturizer and the glow serum from Cool. I always tell my client to put their chin back a little bit. And I start down on the neck. Slow, upward motions. I always give it a little pause at the end. Slowly moving up and out the face. Now on the chin, I like to go all the way up to the eyebrow. We really want to do some good lifting with this. Right under that eye area, around and lift the outside of that eyebrow. Forehead going up. A little pause and lift at that eyebrow, all the way up to the forehead. And you can go over the face a couple of times with this. You want to spend between 5 and 10 minutes on either side of the face. I like to end with a little feathering off.